Hi, my name is Andrew Andrasco. I am Dras Fabrication and Design. I'm a blacksmith and welder. We kind of are a dying breed. Started welding when I was 11 years old. I grew up in a small farm town. I saw a need for the skill set that I had, and with the help of my wife, we created Dras Fabrication in 2010. I work with local municipalities, do a lot of work in parks, city streetscapes. I currently have sculptures throughout the Midwest. I have them in 5 different states, specialized in the one-of-a-kind custom works of art that a lot of the cities are looking for to make their parks stand out from everybody else. Teaching's always been a passion of mine. I'm one of the few that do like to share their knowledge and share it with everybody and anybody. I try to make that a part of my business to help educate other people in the specialty fields of blacksmithing and welding. And that's part of my business. I'd like to grow, pass the knowledge on to the next generation so that they can continue the craft so that it doesn't die out. One of the main reasons I am applying for the FedEx grant is because I utilize FedEx on many different levels. I use FedEx to ship a lot of my smaller items. So with the FedEx grant money, I'm planning on buying anvils, vices, tools like that to help grow the educational side of my business. Currently, I can teach 2 students at a time. I'd like to be able to bring that to 8 to 10 students per class. Also buying new equipment in order to take the business to the next level so that I can bring a lot of this work in-house instead of having it outsourced to other businesses.